Good morning, boys. What is up? I want to make a video about psychology. Once again, you guys seem to love these psychology lectures on the weekends. So I do want to make a video on setting expectations or expecting outcomes versus actual income when it comes to trading. Because it's easy for me to sit in here and tell you guys, oh, detach from the dollar amount. You shouldn't care about the money. Like, money's the last thing that should matter. Detach yourself from the outcome. Super easy for me to say that. Why do people actually trade? What's the reason we all got into trading? Money. That's the truth. Money runs the fucking world. The truth is, we all got into trading because we want to make money. We all got into trading because we weren't happy with the dollar amount we were making, and we actually want to make a living for ourselves off a virtual source of income, which I believe is the best source of income. And I am more than grateful I had the opportunity to fucking make myself a career trading, right? And I want to make a video about expecting income versus expecting outcomes versus incomes, because there is a line between people always sitting down and telling themselves, I'm going to make 10K this month. I want to make 10K next month. I want to make 50K next month. I want to make 100K next month. I just passed 5 evals. I'm going to make 10K per eval and take out a fucking $25,000 payout, or 10K per XFA and take out a $25,000 payout. What are you doing when you're telling yourself all these things? I'm going to make $10,000 today. I'm going to make $10,000 next month. I'm going to get a $25,000 payout with all these accounts. You are setting unrealistic expectations. And you are setting, not unrealistic, but you are setting an outcome before you even gave an input. You are predetermining an outcome with flawed inputs. Your inputs aren't good trades. They're not disciplined trading, because half of you guys are unprofitable, and that's the truth, right? You're not sitting here following your rules, following your system, looking for good quality setups. You're sitting here telling yourself, oh my God, I just fucking passed my eval in CPI. Oh my God, I just passed my account. I can maybe make $10,000 next month. Now, what happens when you have max allocation on a prop firm and the first thing you do is take a loss, right? Your plan to make $25,000 just got very set back because you just took a loss or two. So what are you gonna get? You're gonna get emotional because you already set yourself an outcome before you even took a fucking trade. You already told yourself, I'm gonna get such a big payout from all these accounts. I'm gonna get a huge payout. I just passed my account. I'm so happy. I'm gonna get a fucking fat payout next week. What happens when you take a loss? In your brain, you just got set back so far. Your fucking outcome that you already predetermined for yourself in your head might have just gotten delayed or ruined because of a bad trade, because maybe you weren't following your rules, maybe you weren't following your system, or maybe you actually took a statistical loss. Remember, losses are part of a greater statistic and they're part of the game, right? So it all comes down to that. Right? Why did you take the loss? It doesn't matter. What actually matters is how you react once you make the loss, once you take that loss. What makes a trader profitable isn't winning every trade. What makes a trader profitable is knowing how to react when to take a loss. And how do you react when you take a loss? You don't react. The best way to react to the markets is to not react. That's it. When you take a loss, you hop off the charts and you fuck off. That's it. Oh my God, I just took a loss. Whatever. I was following my system. I was following my rules. Better off trading tomorrow. Maybe the conditions are more ideal. Maybe they're better, because if I already took a loss, what are the odds the market's in my favor today? Maybe the market's choppy. Maybe it's not favorable for my strategy. That is my sign to hop off the charts, right? And I want to go back to what I said earlier, right? You have a set of accounts that you were so excited to pass. You're going to get such a big payout from them, and you start taking a loss or two. What's going to happen? You're going to go on tilt. You're going to go on edge by setting yourself a predetermined expectation of making X amount of money. You are setting yourself up for failure. You are setting yourself up to be put in a position where you are so vulnerable to a loss. When you take a loss, you're going to go on tilt, right? You are more likely to go on tilt. You are more likely to go off your edge as a trader, like off your game. You're trading like shit when you're setting yourself this predetermined expectation of, oh, I want to make X amount of money, right? So instead of sitting here and telling yourself, I'm going to make this much money this month, I want to make this much money next month, stop setting monetary goals as traders. Stop setting a monetary goal. Your only goal should be, I want to get a better entry, right? I want to make sure that I don't feel any emotions today. I want to make sure when I enter, my stop loss makes sense and my take profit makes sense. I need to make sure when I take a loss, I'm not mad that I took that loss, right? I'm not mad I took that loss because I knew that I've taken that trade 10 times in the past and it's banked 8 out of 10 of those times. So statistically, this exact setup has made me money in the past and it will do so again. I don't care that I lost this trade. It is not a setback. It is a trade that is part of a larger statistic, right? And at the end of the month, this will make me money. It doesn't matter how much money. Don't think about the fucking money. That's why I tell you guys, detach from the dollar amount. And I told you guys, it's easier said than done, right? But you guys also set yourself predetermined outcomes. Like I mentioned before, you're telling yourself, I want to make 10K, I want to make 3K. Oh, I was going to take a payout. I was going to get this payout. But you didn't work for it. You didn't actually put in like good trading habits. You didn't actually put in good habits. All you did was pass an eval or pass an account. Maybe you were already on your funded account and told yourself you were going to make X amount of money. You think you're going to make money just because you're sitting here telling yourself you're going to make money. Also in trading, the one thing you don't want to do is put pressure on yourself to make money. When you put pressure on yourself to make money as a trader, what are you going to do? You're going to force trades. You're going to have bad risk management. You're going to over risk, over leverage. And what happens when you take a loss that you're not comfortable taking? You're going to start tweaking and you're going to go in tilt. You're going to go in tilt and you're going to blow and lose all your accounts. So when you're trading, stop setting monetary goals. Monetary goals is the last thing you should have in mind as a trader. As I mentioned before, it's so much easier said than done for me to sit here and tell you, detach yourself from the dollar amount, detach yourself from the outcome. But that comes with practice, right? For the next 2 weeks of your trading career, I challenge you to follow your rules, follow your system. Oh, it's easier said than done once again. Oh, follow your rules, follow your system. Ale, you're telling me the most basic shit. Dude, you are setting yourself predetermined outcomes and predetermined goals. You're sitting here telling me, I want to make 5K next month. My goal as a trader is to make 10K a month. My goal as a trader is to make 20K a month. All you're doing is setting monetary goals in your head. You're not actually working to get there as a trader, right? The way to actually work there as a trader is, did my entry make sense? Does my stop loss make sense? If I lose this trade, will I be upset? That is the number one question you should be asking yourself as a trader. If I lose this trade, will I be upset? And that is the answer to all your fucking issues. When you're entering a trade, are you risking too much? Does your stop loss make sense? Does your take profit make sense? Is this actually following your system? Are you signal botting some random dude on TikTok live? Is this actually following your rules? Or are you just trying to make the most amount of money on the possible day because you want to hit a certain dollar figure by the end of the month, right? These are kind of questions you should be asking yourselves, right? A lot of people say, oh, what's your trading checklist? Your trading checklist should not be a mechanical checklist of, oh, SMT, IFEG, because that's not how the fucking market works. The market moves discretionally. You should move discretionally with it, right? Your checklist should be a psychological checklist, right? It should tell you, it should ask you, does your entry make sense? Does your stop loss make sense? If you lose the dollar amount you are currently risking, would you be upset? Are you going to go on tilt if you lose this trade, right? Would you be upset with yourself if you lose this trade? If the answer is yes, to those last few questions, you should not be in that position. You should lower your risk and you should find a trade that better suits your system, right? Don't stop forcing trades to make money, right? And this goes back to predetermined outcomes. When you're setting predetermined outcomes, telling yourself, I want to make 10K a month, I want to make 20K a month, you are automatically going to force trades. You are automatically going to risk more. And especially if you lose a trade, you are going to get mad because you just got set back from the goal that you told yourself was going to happen. Whereas if you actually follow your system, follow your rules that helped you pass your eval. I don't know what strategy you trade. I don't know if you trade mine. I don't know if you trade someone else's. Whatever strategy you trade, the best strategy isn't mine. The best strategy isn't someone else's. The best strategy for you is the one that makes the most amount of sense to you. That's it. That's it, right? I've had people that trade my model. I've had people that trade support and resistance. I've had people that just trade IFEGs purely, right? The best system, the best model is the one that works for you. That's it. Right? There's no such thing as the perfect system, the perfect entry, because different entries and different models make sense to different people, right? And that may not be available to you. You might not understand the way I trade. I might not understand the way someone else trades, right? It is very discretional. It is all about perspective and how you understand a given system, right? But what I want you guys to leave with today is please ask yourself the following questions before entering a trade. If I take a loss, will I be upset, right? Am I risking a dollar amount I am comfortable losing? Does my entry make sense? Does my exit make sense? Does my stop loss make sense? If I lose this trade, will I be upset at myself? Which I think I already said. And final question, I forgot the final question, right? It's probably not that important. But, oh, here we go. Am I entering this trade because it's following my system? Or am I just trying to make X amount of money because I told myself I had to by the end of the month? Like I said before, for the final time, by setting yourself predetermined expectations, predetermined outcome of making X amount of money, all you're going to do is force trades. You're going to filter out the good quality trades and you're going to start applying yourself to shit trades, bad quality trades. Why would I start taking bad trades? because you told yourself you had to make X amount of money. You told yourself you had to do this by the end of the month. So what are you going to do? You are going to force things in the markets that don't naturally apply to your system. If you actually take a trade that applies to your system, you are going to see you're going to take less trades. You're going to take better quality trades. You are going to feel more comfortable trading. You are going to build an edge as a trader. The longer you are trading a system, the more likely you are to build an edge with it, understand it, and become a profitable trader with it. Stop strategy hopping. Stop doing all this dumb shit. Stop trying to make money on stupid trades, stupid entries, just because you told yourself you had to make X amount of money by the end of the year, by the end of the month. Stop setting monetary goals. Your goal as a trader should be, does my entry make sense? Does my stop loss make sense? Does my take profit make sense? And am I following my system? That's it. That is it. Stop setting monetary goals, right? I hope you guys have a blessed day, learn something new, and I will see you boys tomorrow.